Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, and from a trading perspective and just from kind of a jargon point of view, this was what we would call a gap and trap today. What do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're newer? So on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the opening bell, the price made a little bit further move. Some poor souls bought up around here. And then from there, it was just, pretty much someone pulled the toilet handle and flushed down it went. So a very, very brutal day. And now it really just becomes a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? A pump and dump being a situation where a price makes a great move upwards, and then all of a sudden, within a relatively quick amount of time, all of a sudden the price is right back to where it started. I'm not willing to call this a pump and dump yet, and I'll explain what I mean by that. And that is because the price is hanging up above 285. And 285 is an important level because first off, it's that gap close location. So again, hence the gap up, which I already talked about. But the other reason, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but in the event the price were to, roll back over and then just sink on down through 285, at that point, from a logistics standpoint, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in this situation, would literally imply that the price has made a great move up all the way here, and then within a few days, gone all the way right back to where it started. That is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that's going to be the case because, to be fair, and I give credit where credit's due, got a very, very nice bounce off of 285 here. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon that going forward. But yeah, 285 definitely extremely important level from the supports, side of things going forward. As far as areas of resistance, in the very near term, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That is currently valued at 331. If the price can get up through there, then you'd want to turn your attention to the pink line, which is the 200-period moving average, and that is currently valued at 379. So yeah, right now the chart's definitely looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can hold up above 285 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.